Mr. Speaker, the people of Pakistan deserve the respect of their government, the rule of law, free and fair elections, and civilian command and control of the military and fundamental tenets of democracy. It is essential that the government of Pakistan uphold these ideals.
Our resolution also supports free and fair elections in Pakistan, elections that represent the will of the people of Pakistan. Unfortunately, Pakistan's most recent election that took place in February was not carried out under conditions that credible election observers considered free or fair. And while there were some bright spots in that election, including the record numbers of women, youth, and religious and ethnic minorities being registered to vote, the election was ultimately clouded by credible allegations of electoral interference, of fraud, and of violence. And that's why our resolution urges the full and independent investigations of these claims of interference or irregularities in Pakistan's February election.